Hello everybody. In this moment we are talking about qualitative research. Qualitative research involves collecting and analyzing non-numerical data like text, video, or audio to understand concepts, opinions, or experiences. It can be used to gather in-depth insights into a problem or generate new ideas for research. Qualitative research is the opposite of quantitative research, which involves collecting and analyzing numerical data for statistical analysis. Qualitative research is commonly used in the humanities and social sciences in subjects such as anthropology, sociology, education, health sciences, history, etc. And then we move to qualitative research characteristics. We start from the first, natural environment. Qualitative researchers collect field data at the location where participants experience the problem or issue to be studied. Qualitative researchers do not change the environmental settings and activities of the participants. Information is gathered by talking directly to people and seeing them act directly in a natural context. And then the second, a holistic account. Qualitative researchers usually try to make a complex picture of a research issue or problem. Researchers describe the perspectives and factors associated with the problem as a whole. Third, researchers as a key instrument. Qualitative researchers generally collect their own research data through participants' observation, documentation, or direct reviews with participants. These researchers generally do not use instruments or questionnaires made by other researchers because they are the only key to this study. And then fourth, interpretive. Qualitative researchers make an interpretation of what they see, they hear, and what they understand. Usually, there are differences in interpretation between researchers and readers and participants, so it appears that qualitative research offers different views on context or problem. And then we move to fifth, multiple sources of data. Qualitative researchers generally choose to collect the required data from various sources such as interviews, documentations, and observations rather than relying only on one source data. Then, who uses qualitative research? Researchers in social sciences and humanities often use qualitative research methods, especially in specific areas of study like anthropology, history, education, and sociology. Qualitative methods are also applicable in business, technology, marketing space. For example, product managers use qualitative research to understand how target audiences respond to their products. They may use focus groups to gain insights from potential customers on product prototypes and improvement, or surveys from existing customers to understand what changes users want to see. Other careers that may involve qualitative research include marketing analysts, claims investigators, market researchers, research assistants, statisticians, data analysts, business analysts, auditor, etc. And then we move to the types of qualitative research methods. Start from the first, one-on-one interview. Conducting in-depth interviews is one of the most common qualitative research methods. It is a personal interview that is carried out with one respondent at a time. This is purely a conversational method and invites opportunities to get details in depth from the respondents. One of the advantages of this method is that it provides a great opportunity to gather precise data about what people believe and their motivations. If the researcher is well experienced, asking the right questions can help him or her collect meaningful data. If they should need more information, the researchers should ask such as follow-up questions that will help them collect more information. And then the second, process of observation. Qualitative observation is a process of research that uses subjective methodologies to gather systematic information or data. Since the focus on qualitative observation is the research process of using subjective methodologies to gather information or data, qualitative observation is primarily used to equate quality differences. Qualitative observations deals with the 5 major sensory organs and their functioning, namely sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing. This doesn't involve measurements or numbers, but instead characteristics. And then the third, focus groups. A focus group is also a commonly used qualitative research method used in data collection. A focus group usually includes a limited number of respondents from within your target market. The main aim of the focus group is to find assumptions and answers to the why, what, and how questions. One advantage of focus groups is you don't necessarily need to interact with the group in person. Nowadays, focus groups can be sent on online survey on various devices, and responses can be collected at the click of a button. Then fourth, record keeping. This method makes use of the already existing reliable documents and similar sources of information as data source. This data can be used in new research. This is similar to going to a library. There, one can go over books and other reference material to collect relevant data that can likely be used in the research. Then fifth, ethnographic research. Ethnographic research is the most in-depth observational research method that studies people in their naturally occurring environment. This method requires the researchers to adapt to the target audience environments, which could be anywhere from an organization to a city or any remote location. Here, geographical constraints can be an issue while collecting data. I think it is enough for this session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.